Hi, Jenny here. For today's video, we are going to bake all those seeds that we saved from those squashes that we made. All right. So I'm going to make some taco flavored squash seeds. Let's get started. Okay, for this you're going to need about 1 cup of seeds, or obviously whatever you have. So this is from a squash I did the other day. I already have those all cleaned off from all the stringy parts of the squash. These are from the one I did today, so I still have to clean those off. And then you're going to need about 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. First we want to make sure, like I said, that all of the seeds are off of all the stringy bits we had, and then we are going to wash them. So you put them in a colander so that you can wash them all and dry them, and then we'll season them. So I didn't wash these. These I just took the stringy bits off of. So we'll just throw those in there right away. And then usually I just grab the seeds and kind of push on them to come off of the stringy bits of squash. Okay, we are going to rinse our seeds. And now we'll lightly dry them. Just gonna throw them on some paper towel, pat them dry. We're gonna put oil and seasoning on them anyways, so they're gonna get all wet again, but get some of the moisture off. And then we'll put them into a bowl so we can mix all the seasoning up. Alright, 1 to 2 tablespoons of the taco seasoning. This is some that I had left over from a different recipe that I had made. So I'm going to start with that. Let's start with one. And I'm going to go with 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. So I like garlic. Let's see how well this pours out. Oh yeah. And then a couple tablespoons of oil. All right, now we will just pour these onto a 11 by 17 cookie sheet. Put them in a single layer. We're going to bake them in a 325-degree oven for about 20 minutes. That's a lot of space. Usually when I do my pumpkins, I have about 2 to 3 cups of seeds worth, so I fill the whole sheet. Which, I do have more seeds, but I thought, well, I'll start with a cup of this and see how I like this. This isn't the usual way that I make it, so trying something different. All right, we'll bake these at 325 for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, this is after 15 minutes. I was hearing some popping going on in there. I see now here there's like an open seed and the middle came out in here too. So, interesting. So our squash seeds are all roasted and all done. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever roasted squash seeds before. I have. I think I've used my same recipe that I used for my pumpkin seeds, so it was a little different than this, but I wanted to try something new. So here we go, taco season squash seeds instead of pumpkin seeds. Anyways, I'm gonna eat my snack. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. What do we think? A little less flavor than I expected, but tastes like roasted pumpkin seeds. I like them. Yep.